Hello guys, I'm Harlan Quest. To tell you in this tutorials how to recover your Gmail ID in case you have lost your Gmail password. In case someone who has hacked your Gmail ID, what's the easy way to rescue of your Gmails? We will see live here. This ID has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his device. Now he is not in positions to reset his password of this particular Gmail because he doesn't have the recovery email and recovery phone number. So what's the easy way to reset of it? Let's see. Just we will go for tap on here next, and what will happen here, guys? In next, just we will go for here. Try another way. If I tap on it, try another way. Then see here, it's saying so that phone number, especially on that OTP will go or SMS will go. So we don't have so. It's saying so that I did not provide enough information for the Google to show that this account is really ours. Google asks for this info to keep secure your accounts, but there is a possibility that you can reset, answer as many questions as you can, and approve seconds user device where you have or we have signed in before. Third option we don't have, so don't click on here. Try again. So otherwise, on these two options, you will have to make a balance, and Google will contact you. That option would be open, and there, of course, you will have to provide the documents, evidence, proof on the basis of Google will endorse to justify this. This is account here or not. If you were, then of course definitely you will have the strong opportunity to create a strong password. If you don't, then of course, but total estimated time can be expected more than 48 hours. So we cannot wait because it's the concern of data privacy quickly. So just we will get it from here, and the of course we will have to go in especially Play Store. In the Play Store, guys, here in Play Store we have one browser that is especially here CPU Bay browser. Just we will go for here, click on it, and it says scarcely 7 MB. That's all. So just we will install it, and the of course that is installing. On the other hand, of course, we will come to Google, especially products or Google options. There we will have to hold this in the browser. Fine, so the browser has been installed. So quickly, let's do it. These all are essential, of course, especially to proceed a step. So let's see, make it disable these notifications, and of course will come the permission. The permission, of course, will have to come the location. Navigate the location. Click on it. Don't allow precise location. Make it off. So if we off, then click on here once again. Then go for here. That's it done. We will get it from here, and of course once again we have one browser, another that is a Chrome. Hold that, and of course after holding it, just a tap on it, and of course we will come on a notification. We will have to make it block, guys. So let's block, and of course we will come on especially another step, that is a permission. Tap on it. Let's tap on a location, make the precise location off, click on it, especially don't allow any way, and if you deny this permission, the basic feature of your device may no longer function as intended. Of course, just we will click on here. So now it's done. Now we have to go for back, and here just one more time. Let's see, one more time, and here see here the browser option. There's the pure browser has been selected. Now just we will tap on it, and thereupon let's open this browser. So just we will tap on here, and upon tapping, so first we have here, see right on there, just Google Help. Let's see, or directly you can go for here Google, especially let's see Google Code Audience. Tap on it. So let's see, it's going to open here. Fine, here we will have to go in the sign. So this option we will have to pick, and just we will have to type especially this particular ID, that is especially, of course. Now just we will tap on here next. So what will happen here, guys? It will start to especially now see here. It's asking password. We will go for forward password, and see here what will happen. It's asking this number. We don't have a number, so of course we will click on here. Now we have a third option, that's a more tips to recover your account. So in that condition, what we will do here, we had two options, the previous one browser, and especially on this browser we have a third option. So don't click on a try again, otherwise of course in this account would be fixed, because I'm the trying to recover, especially this ID that doesn't belong to me. That's why a difference browser and interaction with pros. So of course Google will track the user. So in that condition, can I hide by tapping on a moment hits to recover your accounts? Not at all. Yes, we will use this feature, but by alternative way. How it is possible then? Of course, we will have to tap on a setting, guys. Let's come in the setting. Setting to, of course, we will have to come in especially Google service, pick it, and quickly just to see here how quickly it will be recovered. Just we will go for help option. In a help option, of course, we have the can't sign in your accounts, and here by tapping on here, just we will go for forgot, or sorry, you think someone else is using. So that's issues we will have to like say, and after electing, of course, we will have to wait here. After waiting, of course, secure my accounts. We will tap on it and thereupon what we will do, guys, here just we will come in as we review your account activities. Find out if your account has been hacked of that. Then of course once again we will come in here, that's in these tabs. And therefore of course here what we will do, guys, here see here the create and replacement Google accounts. As we see here, create and replacement. Second is avoiding getting locked out of your Gmail account. So here on two options we cannot the process, just we will have to go for accounts recovery page here, guys. So now just we will have to here type this particular ID. Let's see. Yes, we will pick this ones, and the phone of course here just simply we will have to here type. Let's see. See here, guys, directly would be here, and the phone of course here what we have to do. Yes, simply here we have to change the password. Second, we have options and there's a continue. Of course, most probably we will click on especially continue, but don't click on here. Here is the tabs. There's Google Bill, of course, trap you if you tap on especially continue. What will happen, guys? Here, of course, you will be trapping. It's verify your option there. Yes, this ID will have definitely there is one recovery, especially phone number added there. So on that OTP would be there to justify or verify that you are an especially I'm the holder of this account. So don't click on here directly. We will go for here to change the password, and on that especially when we tap, then what will happen? We have the strong opportunity to create the strong password here. Confirm the password, and the phone of course go for change it. After changing, then we will have to tap on here, and here is the management. We will have to go in the management, and there is a security center. There add their emails, any alternative emails, because there is only one the recovery in the phone. So you can add their alternative email and alternative phone as a recovery and the phone. After adding there, any times whatever you would like to do with especially this ID data, anything should be kind of especially, but this kind of incident won't be especially what will happen again. So just to go in a security center and add the recovery. Whenever you would like to change, reset the password, this can be the possible get. So how to like this tutorials, of course drop the comments and feedbacks in the comment box. This is all about in this video tutorial. Thank you for watching Technological Fan. Have a great time. Bye bye.